Okay, here's something to cover you guys and gals when you get in the locksmithing field. I'm not endorsing this brand or anything. These are just ones that I have currently. I want to show you something. We're going to open this remote up real quick and fast. This is to cover yourself when you do a job. I like to mark my stuff, or I turn around and mark them on this side, and then on my receipt I mark them. I do that because I've ran into an issue before where I had a customer that turned around, did a remote for them and everything, and with us giving a warranty, they came back and said, oh, it doesn't work. They swapped out the insides out, and when I opened it up, I seen that, well, I couldn't prove it wasn't mine. After that, I learned from my mistakes. So I suggest get you a little fine point paint pens on your receipt. The copy you keep, you annotate how you marked it. That way if a customer does come at you, hey, hit that like and subscribe button, look for more little how-tos, and let's cover ourselves out there. Let's be safe.